Is your Xfinity 4K box stuck on the welcome screen during activation or cable check? This often means the box is having trouble verifying your account or detecting a stable cable signal. The box needs to complete three phases: activation, which verifies your account; cable check, which detects signal strength; and system boot, which loads the interface. A weak or interrupted signal, an outdated modem, or account issues like unpaid bills can cause this problem. Don't worry, many users encounter this, and it's often fixable with a few simple steps. As of late 2025, this issue is reported in about 5 to 7% of new installations or resets, and fixes are now more streamlined with Xfinity's app-based remote troubleshooting tools. Start with a power cycle. Unplug the Xfinity 4K box from power for 30 to 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. This clears temporary glitches and allows the box to restart properly. Next, check your cable connections. Make sure the coaxial cable is firmly connected to both the Xfinity box and the wall outlet. For optimal performance, signal levels should be between 0 and 10 dBme. Try the Xfinity app for troubleshooting. Open the app on your smartphone to run diagnostics. It can automatically detect and fix many common issues with your box. For advanced troubleshooting, if the basic steps don't work, hold the A button on your remote for 5 seconds to access diagnostic mode. You can also contact Xfinity support for manual activation assistance. Always start with the basic troubleshooting steps before reaching out to support. Most welcome screen issues can be resolved by the user without professional help.